Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very unique method at which you can make money from the binary options. So we have brought out so many strategies to help you to be consistent on deriv. So we have the binary option, the binary strategy rather. We have the reverse, all these setups. It can help you to scalp and make money from deriv. So it is a very easy method. So we have the killer EA, the advanced killer EA, and there have been so much testimony for those using the killer EA. And we have the options, those trading options. We have the millionaire binary boat. The boat is just there to make sure that it makes money for you. So I'm going to be showing you a unique strategy at which you can make cool cash from deriv binary options. So yeah, this method is not, you won't see this method anywhere, guys. You won't see this method anywhere. It's something me and my team have been working earnestly to ensure it is a success. So I'm going to be using the bear. If you want to trade options, I will advise you to use the bear or the bull market because it has a strong volatility. So it has a very strong volatility. So sometimes deriv remove 1 minute and take it to 2 minutes and all that, but it has a very good volatility. So I'm going to be using the bear, and if the bear doesn't give me an entry, I'm going to switch to the bull. So I'm going to be using, for my duration, I'm going to be using 6 minutes, and for my stake, I'm going to be using $10 for this. So, and I'm going to be having in 94 or 96 probability ones, which is pretty cool, I think. So let's just go over to the chart. I'm going to come over here and change it to ticks. So mind you, I'm using 6 ticks. You can come here, not second, not minute, not hours, 6 ticks for this, because it's going to be pretty fast. So I'm going to come over here. So guys, if you look very well, there's something that you will see. So this market made a series of higher high. It made it low, made a new high. At some point broke down, came back to this zone. This is the line chart, right? This is the line chart. I'm just explaining what was on the line chart so that you can see it properly. So at this point, price rallied around this area. Price rallied around this area. So that's just what actually happened. So in the future, I'm going to show you guys something. In the future, this place broke down, went back, rallied, and now made a new low. So in the future, this is our zone. In the future, this is our zone. So anything that makes price comes into this zone, we're going to get our 6 ticks easily. There you guys hear me. So if you look very well here, you see price rallied, came back down, rallied, came back down, rallied, came back down. So let me show you guys something here. So if you look very well, at the point price broke through this point, broke this structure and went up. The price is coming now. This is the last low that the price made before it went up. This is our zone, guys. This is our zone. These are some guys, price action guys. It's purely price action. Purely price action. So anytime I make price, rally back in here, we are sure to get our 6 ticks. So it's as easy as that, guys. It's not difficult. It's very, very easy. You just have to wait for price to come back and you get what you want to get. Understand? So let me give you more examples so you can see. Because let's give you more examples. Secondly, let me show you something else. Guys. Okay. Another method is, you can see here, if price is on a zone, this one is more easier. If price is on a zone, this one is way more easier. If price is actually on a zone, let me show you guys something. And price has been on that zone for way too long. See, example like this. Price has been on that zone for way too long. So all you need to do is just to wait patiently for price to break that zone. But what they are doing, they are just trapping traders to think that price will go up. So your own work then, this is the easiest. I will advise you to use this option. So you just wait patiently, but you have to get like 3 touch to 4 touch on that zone. Let me show you guys. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So you can see price have been touching that zone. So the more price touch that zone, the more weaker it becomes at some point. So at some point, price will just melt through. So immediately price melts through that zone, guys, go for your 6 ticks. It will not fail. It will not fail, guys. It will not fail. They'll go for your 6 ticks. It will not fail. So this is another example. Let me show you guys. This is another example, guys. This is another example here. As the price touched 1, touched 2, touched 3, touched 4, price went up. Immediately price is coming down for the 5th time. There was a melt through. So anything that makes price break that zone aggressively with force. Anything that makes price breaks that zone aggressively with force. Guys, just go in and pick your 6 ticks. It will never fail. Like example now, you can see that. I see that this place now. I see this level. Price has been testing this level. First test, second test, third test. So once price comes back, what price is going to do is go use aggressive force and break through. So that's just it, guys. It's not really difficult. So I'm going to take 2 examples and I'm going to end this video. So I just had some connection issues, guys. Just some connection problems. So let's see how to refresh my browser. So let's look for the examples I told you guys about. You can see market is on an uptrend. So it means that we should be looking for a buy. The buy we last and move more. So let's see. Let's see, guys. So while doing this, I think this does have a target for the day. I'm gonna help you. I think you should just have a target for the day. It's gonna help you a lot. And I see here we have the first. I've gotten the first touch here. So what can you see here? 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Let us see. We get the 4 and the 5th touch, and price breaks through. We're gonna pick a sell. So here we have the 1, 2 touch. So we get 5 touch up, 5 touch down. I'm gonna be using the third method because it's more effective. The breakout method is more effective. Okay. You have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, I'll go for a sell. I'll go for a sell, guys. So I'll go for a sell. You can see I actually won that trade. I'll go for a sell. I actually won that trade. So how does this work? Once price breaks, you draw your zone. Anything that makes price break that your zone, that means you need to enter for a sell or a buy. You can see here we had the first touch, second touch, third touch, the fourth touch, the 5th touch. Instance. So once price just aggressively breaks through, that's when we entered the sell and we won it. So it's a very easy strategy. Very, very, very easy. It's not stressful. So I will use the breakout strategy more because it is more, you are trading with ticks. And as such, you can see the price is still going down. You can use 30 seconds for this to still work. You can use 30 seconds because it works. You can use 30 seconds for this. You can even use 1 minute. You can use 1 minute. It still works. But I'm just going for something very fast. You can see the price is still going down. Why? What was the major reason? This zone at some point came weak. This zone at some point came. You can see that price broke through, did break and retest. Price had to retest that zone, and see that's what brought about that drop. This is our zone. You can see immediately price broke through the zone. Price had to retest it. But even you can see immediately price broke through the zone. Aggressive price had to test it. That's how we're able to get our 6 ticks. So let me give you one more examples. I'm gonna call holiday day. So okay. So okay. So we have something here. We have something there. Or something here, guys. So you can see there was the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. Okay, I'm gonna enter a buy. Because price have done all the, has done everything. We're gonna enter a buy. So you can see here, that was the first touch. I'll show you guys something. That was the first touch on that zone. There was a second touch, there was a third touch, there was a fourth touch. Immediately price broke through aggressively. That's when we enter our buy. I think price broke through, you can see. There was this first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So immediately price comes back and breaks out of that zone aggressively. That's when we entered our zone for a buy. So same thing happened there. Immediately price came and broke out aggressively. We entered way. So guys, just test this on your demo account. Then before then you go live. It's a very easy strategy. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.